A just-discovered patent from 2004 shows the triangular spacecraft known in the UFO realm as the TR-3B. The patent filing date is December 20, 2004. The publication date is July 6, 2006. The patent says triangular spacecraft, a spacecraft having a triangular hull, with vertical electrostatic line charges on each corner that produce a horizontal electric field parallel to the sides of the hull. This field, interacting with a plane wave emitted by antennas on the side of the hull, generates a force per volume combining both lift and propulsion. Online researchers confirms that the inventor, John St. Clair, has also developed and patented a new type of propulsion system. This new system is named as Rotating Electrostatic Propulsion System. The TR-3B, code-named Astra, is a tactical reconnaissance aircraft. The first operational flight was in the early 90s. The triangular-shaped nuclear-powered aerospace platform was developed under the top-secret black-budget Aurora program. At least 3 of the billion-dollar-plus TR-3Bs were flying by 1994. The Aurora is the most classified aerospace development program in existence. The TR-3B is the most exotic vehicle created by the Aurora program. It is funded and operationally tasked by the National Reconnaissance Office, the NSA, and the CIA. The TR-3B flying triangle is not fiction, and was built with technology available in the mid-80s.